packaging is right on point, so I'm into it. I think I will definitely love this for the summertime. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am going to be filming an unboxing of my very first PR package. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw this. Pixi sent me a PR package, so I am going to unbox it for you guys, show you guys what is inside. But yeah, I was literally so surprised when Trevor got the mail this morning. We got back from Vegas last night, so he checked the mail and he handed me this. He's like, I don't know what this is. And I saw the box and I was like, I didn't order anything from Pixi. And then I realized, I'm like, oh my God, that's PR. This is my first PR package. So I'm really excited to unbox it. But before we get started, if you are brand new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Sarah. If you like content on fashion and beauty, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. I do post videos here every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And this week I've had extra videos going up. So whenever there's extra videos, I do post on other days as well. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram and Twitter also, so you guys can always get a sneak peek of what is coming up down the pipeline of the videos I have in store, and also so that you can see all my posts with all of these products and the clothing that I feature in these videos. So like I said, Pixi Beauty did send me this PR package and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it here for you guys on screen so that you guys can get excited with me and see what I got. They sent me their vitamin C collection. It's a new collection from them. I honestly, truly love Pixi Beauty. I have been such a huge fan of their Glow Tonic for years. I mean, that's such a classic. And I've also tried their anti-aging jasmine toner as well. Again, another super awesome product. And I haven't really branched out too much beyond toners and the occasional mask from them. So I'm excited to give their vitamin C line a try. But look at how cute this packaging is. It's this jar just full of product from them. Super cute. And then the top of the jar has a little Pixi top. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see what products exactly are in this line. So of course, the first one is their vitamin C toner. I'm actually really excited to try this. This was super good timing. I've been using the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner, and honestly, ever since I've started using the Derma E Scar Gel, I've noticed that the Scar Gel just works so much better, so I feel like the toner's not really doing much. So I've been looking to switch toners. I was thinking of going back to the Pixi Glow, but I'll definitely give this one a try. I'm excited for this. So this one is a brightening toner. It's got probiotics to help fortify the skin's barrier, and then willow bark and fruit extracts to gently exfoliate, and then it is alcohol free. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, and then they also sent me a cleanser. This is the vitamin C juice with orange flower water. It's brightening, antioxidant. I think this whole line is brightening. Obviously it's vitamin C. Oh, and this is interesting. It says use daily to cleanse skin. Apply all over face with a cotton pad or with your hands. No need to rinse. Very interesting. So it's a no rinse cleanser. Definitely interested in checking this out. And then they also sent me their vitamin C lotion. This has vitamin C and ferulic acid. I'm sure I said that wrong, but that's okay. But this one is a skin brightening moisture lotion. Again, promotes healthy collagen production and boosts skin luminosity. And it says great for all skin types. Perfect. Ooh, and then this is the vitamin C caviar balm. Interesting. So okay, so this is a brightening leave-on mask. Oh, cool. So same thing, promote collagen production and boost skin luminosity. For this one, you're gonna massage it onto the face, allowing the encapsulated vitamins to melt into the skin and just let it absorb. And lastly, they also sent me a vitamin C serum, which is perfect. I love vitamin C serums, so I am super down to try this one. This one is a brightening and antioxidant serum and promotes a boost of immediate and long-term radiance. And it helps to reduce the effects of sun damage and free radicals, which is perfect because it's summertime. Everyone's out in the sun, so something like this is definitely necessary in your skin routine. And it also helps to improve skin tone, creating a smoother complexion. So this is what it looks like. Really, really cute bottle. And then it comes with this little dropper. I have to say, just like first impressions at looking at this collection, so cute. I mean, it's got like the typical Pixi mint slash lime green color. And then I love that everything in here is yellow. I mean, yellow is in fashion, and then it's also in makeup. I mean, everyone's doing yellow eye makeup looks. So I mean, this collection, the packaging is right on point. So I'm into it. I think I will definitely love this for the summertime, which makes sense considering that it's a vitamin C line. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so this is actually perfect timing because I've been out all day and I just rush edited and uploaded a video. It was actually my Vegas get ready with me for like cool, sweat, heat, waterproof makeup for oily skin. If you guys want to see that makeup routine, I'll link it up here. But I haven't had a chance to take my makeup off since I've been home. So this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and I'll do my skin routine with all of these products and give you guys a little first impression. Okay, so I just removed all of my makeup. I do use a cleansing balm and a microfiber towel to do that. I just, in my experience, even if I'm wearing a little bit of makeup or a lot of makeup, that's the only way to truly get all of the makeup off of my face. Even like the best cleansers in the world that I've used still don't always get all of it off. So I started by just doing that. And sorry about my little friend over here. He's about half his size. He started developing yesterday on the drive back from Vegas. I got home, I put on that overnight peel from Derma E that I've mentioned before, and he's like half his size. So that stuff works, like I mentioned before. But I wanted to start off with the Vitamin C Caviar Balm. This is a brightening leave-on mask. Actually, never mind. I'm not going to start with this because this absorbs into the skin, so I'm going to use it last. So I grabbed some cotton pads because instead I'm going to start out with the Vitamin C Juice Cleanser. And I don't have any like yellow sleeping shorts, but I put on this bright neon green one to kind of go with the collection. This is my I Left My Heart in Boracay tank top that I got from the last time I went to the motherland, aka the Philippines. So opening this up, okay, so it's got kind of like this pump like this. So I think you just, with these, you press down. Yep. Just broke the seal, so give it a couple pumps. Perfect. Whew, it smells so fresh and like citrusy. Use my mirror down here. Ooh, this feels really, really refreshing. It feels nice and light on my skin. It's not leaving my skin feeling tight at all or like dried out or anything. It just really feels super refreshing, like I already said, which is so nice for the summertime. So it looks like it did get off any makeup that had been left on my skin, which is nice. Obviously, you'll want a cleanser to do that. But I definitely like something like this. You know, on nights where I've gone out and I am just so tired and I want to get to bed, I think this is going to be a really, really great quick solution. And I think just in the summertime in general, this is going to be really nice because it's just so light and quick and easy. Oh, you guys, I am breaking out from Vegas. My skin is pissed. I was in the sun a lot, which is not good, and that's when my skin usually gets pissed. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin C Tonic, which is their toner for this line. Like I've mentioned before, I am a huge fan of the Glow Tonic. I mean, that thing is such a classic, and it leaves your skin looking so luminous and beautiful. So this one smells like the cleanser, but a little bit stronger with the citrus, which is so nice. Because, you know, like in summertime, you're just craving those kinds of like scents and stuff, which is like so perfect that they release this during the summertime. And put a little bit on a pad. Let me just wipe around and we'll see how good the cleanser got all of my leftover makeup off. See if there's anything left on this pad. Just putting it all over my face. Again, just like the cleanser, this is so refreshing. It does feel a touch heavier than the cleanser on my skin, but I'm not mad at that because I definitely want to feel like my toner is working. Okay, and this is skincare. It's not necessarily going to be like an immediate result, but it looks, I mean, my skin looks really refreshed and I've got a nice glow going on. So here is the cotton pad afterwards. It took off a little bit more makeup and residue, so the cleanser on its own didn't take everything off, but I think that combined with the toner, it's really gonna get everything off. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Vitamin C serum. I love Vitamin C serums. I've been shopping around for them, so I really love that they included this in the collection. I'm currently using the Volition Strawberry Vitamin C Serum, but I definitely wanna see how this one is because I'm sure this one is much more cost effective. Just taking a little bit. That almost looks like lemonade, which I'm not mad at. It doesn't smell as refreshing as the other ones, but we'll go ahead and pat that in. Just like the other products, I feel like that the theme here is fresh and light. This is a very, very light toner, which is awesome because I don't like feeling like I have a million layers on my skin. It does leave your skin feeling just a touch on the sticky side, which I don't necessarily hate, but I know some people out there don't like that. They like products or serums that are going to be a little bit more watery and just absorb straight into the skin. This one does not. It does sit on your skin a little bit and it leaves it just a tiny bit sticky. So if you don't like that, that might not be for you, but if you don't mind it, this is actually really nice. Feels super lightweight and it feels super nice. So next, let's go ahead and go in with the vitamin C lotion. This is a brightening moisturizer. Usually for bedtime, I like to use something a little bit heavier, but we'll still see how this goes because I do want to use the full collection for you guys. So I'm just going to take like a pea-size amount. Ooh, this feels like creamy, but lightweight. And it smells citrusy as well. Okay, so for how lightweight it feels, it looks like it goes on just a little bit thick, which is perfect for nighttime. You can even do this during the day even, but I feel like this thickness could be used either night or day. And the lotion's definitely giving my skin a nice glow. I would love to wear this under makeup. I don't know how it would do under makeup. If you are gonna wear it under makeup, you're gonna need to wait about 5 minutes or so, just a few minutes to let it really absorb. It isn't sinking into your skin right away, which isn't bad, especially if you're gonna use this at night. That's not bad. But if you do wanna use it during the day underneath your makeup so that your skin is nice and glowy like this, then I would highly suggest applying it and maybe waiting like 5 to 10 minutes before you apply your primer. And next I'm gonna go in with the Vitamin C Caviar Balm. This is a leave-on mask, so gonna use it last over everything to kind of lock in all of the products. Okay, so when it comes out, it's kind of thick, almost feels like a lotion, a lighter weight lotion than their actual lotion. So you want to massage it onto your skin because there are capsules in it, which I could feel as I was rubbing it out, like a little bit of grittiness because those are the capsules. So you want to break those on your skin so that the active ingredients will be released. Oh, this is so nice. This would be such a good overnight mask or something really great to bring with you when you travel for maybe after you get off the plane. This would be fantastic to use, you know, after you've landed on your like first day. If your skin's looking a little bit dull, this feels like it would be really, really good for that. I am definitely feeling very glowy. So far, I do like this collection. I love the citrus scent. It smells amazing. The packaging on it is just gorgeous. I mean, who doesn't love yellow right now? Yellow's like the best right now. I really, really do love how lightweight all of the products feel. Again, it was the perfect release for the summertime because you don't want to have a bunch of products that feel super heavy on your skin. I will say though, the Caviar Balm does feel a touch heavy, so I'd really only use this at nighttime. I wouldn't use this during the day. I don't think it's light enough for that. But like the vitamin C lotion, if you go in with a small amount, I think would be great. Again, I think that this is something that you'll have to wait on to absorb before you put makeup on over it. But these two are probably my favorite so far. I love how quick and easy this cleanser was to use and the fact that it just felt super lightweight and absorbed into my skin right away. It felt so fantastic. And I will definitely be using their vitamin C tonic daily. Like I said, I want to replace my Ole Henriksen toner, so this was definitely perfect timing. So I do want to use this for a little while, see how much I really, really love it. But for my first impression, I think that I'm really gonna like it. Again, it was nice and light and it did give me a good glow. The vitamin C lotion is definitely another favorite just because right after I finished applying it, my skin looked really, really glowy. It was like almost immediate, which is obviously a huge plus. So I would definitely want to try using this during the day and see how it wears under makeup. Like I said, it's the end of the day now, so I'm not going to do that today, but I'll let you guys know on Instagram or on Twitter, so make sure you're following me on there. But yeah, overall, I think that this is the cutest collection. I really love it. Thank you again so much to Pixi to sending this out to me. This was so exciting for my first PR package. Honestly, so, so grateful. I can't believe I got a PR package. I am in awe. So thank you again to Pixi. I think that they knocked it out of the park with this for the summertime. You guys should definitely check it out if you haven't already. And the collection looks pretty affordable. I'm looking at it here on the site. I mean, all of the products in here are ranging anywhere from like 15 all the way up to 29 if you were to get the big size of this tonic. So I'll have prices and fluid ounces listed below in the description, and I'll also put that information somewhere on the screen for you guys as I was using those products in the earlier clips. But you guys know Pixi is available at Target, so it's very, very easy to get your hands on. So if you're looking for some new lighter weight skincare for the summertime, I would definitely go check this out. But that was it for my video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Like I said before, this was a very exciting one for me, so I do appreciate those of you who watched. Leave a comment down below if you saw anything that you liked and you're interested in. I'm curious to see what products you guys were interested in. And make sure, of course, that you're following me on social media. I'll follow up on a lot of these products and let you guys know how I've liked it over time. So I hope you're having a wonderful summertime, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.